In today's video, we'll explore the bullish momentum as FIIs turn net buyers for 2 straight days, infusing Rs. 1286 crores in yesterday's trade. We'll also discuss the critical CPI and WPI inflation numbers due this week and their impact on market trends. The good news first, FIIs were net buyers in yesterday's trade to the tune of Rs. 1286 crores. Interestingly, FIIs have been buyers for 2 days in a row despite choppiness at Dalal Street. Please note, this December month, the FIIs have been net buyers to the tune of 13,944 crores rupees. We will now spy with one big eye if the FIIs camp who have sold to the tune of 1.6 lakh rupees crore in the October to November look to cover their shorts. Now, all eyes will be on India's CPI numbers which will trickle in on Thursday, 12th December. On Friday the 13th, the WPI inflation numbers are slated to release as well. Long story short, bullish traders are bracing for some massive short covering in today's trade. Technically, the directional trend remains bullish. The Gyan mantra is to stay bullish as long as Nifty's make or break support at 24,441 holds. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1286 crores while DIIs too bought shares to the tune of Rs 606 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating slight overbought conditions on the daily charts. FANO December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index have slipped towards 13.77 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th December, is at 1.18 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th December, is at 1.02. Nifty outlook, bullish day out. Nifty, CMP to 4610. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 24,441 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,900 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24550 and 24850. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 53578. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support seen only at 52,753 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 54,467 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,105 4100. Bias for the day is positive. In last 3 trading days, Nifty was seen drifting lower indicating that recent exuberance is fading as permables confront micro challenges and a murkier macro environment. Investors are likely to get their risk appetites in check with all anxious eyes on Wednesday's November US CPI. The November US CPI will be the last major inflation reading prior to the Federal Reserve's final policy meeting of the year. The US CPI still has the potential to upset bullish traders' expectations for a quarter-point rate cut. The Federal Open Market Committee's interest rate policy decision is on 18th December. Buzzing stocks. 1. Vishal Mega Mart IPO will command attention as is set to open for public subscription on Wednesday, 11th December 2024. The 8,000 crore rupees public offering, which will remain available for subscription until Friday, 13th December 2024. Vishal Mega Mart is one of India's leading offline retailers, has a strong market position and one-stop destination for middle and lower middle-income consumers in India. 2. Adani Group stocks were seen trading lower in yesterday's trade, with Adani Enterprises, minus 1.15%, Adani Green Energy, 3.31%, Adani Power, minus 1.70%, Adani Total Gas, minus 1.93%, and Adani Wilmar, minus 1.28%.